Valalalala.
Good morning from Milan.
Good morning.
We are preparing for the Stray Kids Festival. Max has never seen Stray Kids live. Exciting. And Mareike either, even though she is a K-pop fan. And look at Tere looking so cute. Oh, you are, bicho, oh. And Julius, veteran of the channel. And yours truly, Valalalala. So today we will have breakfast and then maybe have lunch somewhere in Milan. Let's go! One more time.
Gabo, 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 Gabo.
So we are here reunited once again for Tere to outdo me.
No, it's not true.
Humiliate me.
It's not true.
No.
Part one.
Part
I'm gonna make you buy the dust.
Oh my god, I don't know. Andres gave me this one. It says
Like the cutest one? That's
can you do the bichachita sound for the camera? Bichachita! Oh, this is honey. Oh, beautiful, cool arm.
You have it? You don't have it?
I don't think so.
I'm cool. Oh, pobrecito, sí.
Outfit check. Whoa! Wow, the light came in. Wow. Outfit check.
So I chose this color because this is Leo's hair color.
Green screen.
So-
It's not false.
It's true.
You saw that? Seriously.
Well, not really.
You are a truly knower. Outfit check.
Love it, love it, love it.
Hi. With a handful of heart. Outfit check.
Because Stray Kids.
True. The makeup, I love.
Wrinkles, receding hairline.
We have acquired the ponchos for the rain and some batteries for the light stick. And now we're going to have pizza.
Some pizza.
How was the pizza?
It was amazing.
Amazing.
When there's not that many toppings, so like.
It's true. Ours was literally the dough, tomato, and some like small herbs, so that it was vegan and it was amazing. And now we're gonna get a gelato. What is it? Pistachio. Good, no? Stray Kids! So now we are going all the way to the pit entrance. We finally found our entrance and it only took 10,000 years. Stray Kids! Woo! Hi, I'm getting introductions. Mara brought us a bunch of freebies. She's the woman of the minute. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. Yes, yes, yes. We are waiting for our moment. Songs that you want to have, Megaverse. Charmer, Hall of Fame. Charmer, 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 Charmer. Missy, which song would you want to sing? Charmer, Charmer, Charmer. Can you ask Getty, please?
Let's tell Charmer. Easy.
Easy. Which song do you want to sing?
You know what's on now.
Ah. Ooh, look at this. Wow. Oh no. What a vibe. Look at this girl. Oh, the record, the record.
Drop some money.
Oh my god.
I wanna dash, I wanna run it, dash, I wanna dash, I wanna run it, run it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, dash, I wanna dash, I wanna run it. I love you, ain't that the worst thing you ever heard? Heroes start grinning like the devil is you. I'm begging, begging you.
How are we, guys? Woo! Mama potato! It's stop raining! Boom! Complex! 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 Found out a new stay.
It's a Lino bias. It's a Lino bias. No, who likes bugs? Hand bias.
Hand bias. It might rain, but look at this. Almost time. The girls are dying. The girls are dying. I report. The girls are dying. Words of appreciation or hate.
I have no voice.
I have no words.
I mean, can we talk about Lino?
No, my God.
Like Lino? Like
Chacha would look at me
Lino?
like-
Like Lino, I was dying. Hyunjin! Hyunjin!
Dios, Yujin!
I sauce!
I'm sharing Banchan with Tere. Whether she wants it or not.
Who said I was gonna share my
Yes.
time with you?
You sharing. I'm taking half
Okay,
of
if
it.
you share social media.
No, never.
I'm at home.
Mine.
So, my time for me.
Mine.
Post concert, we are suffering. We can't believe our eyes.
They're trying to kill us.
They are
They're trying to kill us.
This is a homicide on
Yeah.
the making.
A mass murder.
Mass. Wow, we can't even get into the metro station. We actually made it because we took a side entrance. Bye bye. Reporting live from the metro station near our apartment. Hello. She's departing. She's taking a plane. And because she's German, she goes there very, very early. Oh. This is a reenactment because we actually crossed together. But so it's not the right one. Wow. No los puede sacar a ningún lado. ¿Ah? Ah, sí, wow. Esta es la cinematografía que necesitamos.
going to see Taylor Swift.